halfway there, fam. Gutom na kami. It's around 2 p.m. na actually. Good morning and welcome back to Alba Fambam YouTube channel again. Maayong buntag, maayong gabi sa inyuhang tanandira diri sa Canada o sa Pilipinas. And of course, si Daddy ang naunang naggising today. Very excited kasi my boys day out na naman kami. So magja-jam na naman ang Daddy and the other boys. So, nag-start na ako mag-prepare. Ayan, si Mommy, kakagising lang. Let me just turn on the lights here. And si Daddy, nag-prepare na for our breakfast. Today, as I mentioned, pupunta ako nga ng practice. And then si Donna naman, my day out with the kids. And one of our friends here in Skyview. And bago ang lahat, let's do again a weather check for Calgary. Hey Google, what's the temperature today? So it's 7 degrees now, pero daw baka magma-minus 1 degree. So let's check it out. Yan ang aming weather. Oo nga, medyo gloomy nga and medyo malamig talaga. So babalik na naman ata kami ng winter. Hey Google, is there a chance of snow today?
Probably not. Today in Calgary, there's only a low chance of snow.
Okay, so low chance of snow, no problem. Easy peasy. Kahit naman malubha yung snow na yan, sanay na tayo, fam. So okay, see you later. Look at that. Bacon. And our favorite garlic rice and croissant with Nutella. Is it yummy, Lianica Deneira? Opo. Morning lang, dito lang kami sa bahay. And then later, si Daddy ay magda-daddy's out. Si Mommy naman, children's play. I'm on my way to South again. Kasama sina Alwin, Jason, and Andres to jam. Kasi may upcoming gig kami. So, magda-daddy's day out muna ako. Well, nagpapainit ng sasakyan. Maybe let's just give a quick update. So, ayun na nga, nag-consult kami sa aming mortgage agent, mortgage broker agent. And na-share namin sa inyo kung ano yung thoughts ng agent with the questions that she asked, yung mga answers namin. So siguro pag-iisipan namin ni Donna. We keep on asking questions, pag-uusapan namin ng medyo matindi-tindi pa. Gusto namin ng mas comfortable yung mga bata with the other reasons. There you go! Just quick insight, drive na muna tayo. Let's go to the jam and mag-e-enjoy naman si Daddy. So nandito na tayo sa bahay ni na Jason sa south of Calgary. So mga around 20 to 30 minutes din ang biyahe natin. So pahinga lang tayo ng saglit before tayo pumasok. Pero nagsa-start na actually sila. What's up, Calgary? Hello, hello, hello. Okay, jam lang muna. imagine you'll win. That can send you away. Food for another day. Don't go to work, cry the world, cry the price that I will pay. Lumapit ka kaya sa akin ang ikaw ay maipanay sa kalayaan na gaya na. Hi fam, I'm back again and done na tayo with our jam. So sobrang saya, excited na kami for next month. So gagawin ko ngayon, since may kailangan akong ibalik sa Rogers, which is our internet provider, wala tayong magagawa kasi matcha-charge tayo ng $200. So balik na muna natin to. Okay, iwas tayo ng charge kasi ang hassle niyan, kailangan pa silang tawagan, madaming proseso. After tawagan, kailangan pa ng billing, kailangan nilang i-reverse yung charge sa'yo, so ang hassle. So might as well be vigilant on those. So since may malapit na Canada Post dito kina Jason, balik na natin, right? Okay, so sobrang bilis lang nito, and see you later. Hi fam, so there you go, done. Meron na tayong QR code and may evidence na tayo na sinend natin, so just in case in the future bigla silang mag-charge. And now, since nasa southeast ako, mag-drive ako for around 30 minutes. Malapit na sa bahay namin. Oops, mali yung entrance ko. Malapit na sa bahay namin. Punta lang ako dun sa friend namin. Kasi nandun ang aking asawa and ang aking mga anak na cutie pies. Hey fam, good morning! So tuloy natin ang ating vlog yesterday. After ngang mag-jam, dumiretso ako dun sa friend namin. So siya ang nag-host sa amin for the rest of the day yesterday. So sister, thank you so much. Sobrang nag-enjoy ang mga kids. Alam mo yan, si sister medyo mahiyain, pero rock na rock ang bahay nila. So thank you sister. And pupunta kami ni Kuya Davon sa Costco kasi ang mga kabanda ko ay nagsuggest na it's best to purchase your luggages in Costco. And since meron kaming isang luggage, big luggage na kailangan, pupunta kami ni Kuya Davon. So kaming dalawa lang para boys for boys. Siyempre hindi mawawala ang ating weather check. So nga pala, nag-snow kahapon. As you can see there. April na Calgary, nagsusnow ka pa rin talaga. But today's sunny. Perfect day. Kung nasa Calgary kayo, lumabas na kayo ngayon at pwedeng mag-bicycle at kahit na anong activities ay pwede niyong gawin. Siguro, samahan nyo kami ng konti. Kasi lagi ako nasa Costco. Para makita nyo naman kung ano yung luggage na bibilhin natin. Di ko alam kung may mga branded sila doon like American Tourister or yung mga usual brands of luggages kasi yun yung subok na na matibay. But then, since it's Costco, if masira, of course, depending on their return policy, pwede natin ibalik and kumuha lang ulit ng iba. Okay? So, samahan nyo kami ni Kuya Davon. Let's go! At sasamahan ako ni Kuya Davon pupuntang Costco. Para naman hindi lang ako lagi ang nakikita niya. So, ayun, mabilisan lang to kasi bili lang tayo ng luggage and then uwi na rin agad. Para makatapos na ng empake si Mommy. So, request niya yun. And yeah, let's go and rock and roll. So, we're here na sa parking ng Costco. And quick run lang namin to ni Kuya Davon. You wanna go now?
Let's go there.
What's that? Oh, that's a nice TV, huh? Kuya, balik mo dito. Ito fam. So yun yung mga pinagpipilian lang namin. Meron palang luggage yung Air Canada. And then the other one is Wenger or Wenger. I don't know how that is pronounced, but $249 siya. Baka ito na lang kasi tatlo na siya eh. So pag nagustuhan ni Donna, edi okay.
Excuse me.
Yeah, that's my helper there. Very good. Okay, come on, let's go.
I need to go to work.
And yeah, good price din pala ang ano nila. Portable aircon. So kailangan namin to sa taas pag summer time. So I'll just remember it. Okay, so which one do you like? Okay, I like this one better. So let's get that. Push it here. Push it here. Push. Try to push it here. And then let's go home.
Again.
Got her, buddy. Push.
Go, go, go! Okay. Pain time. Say pain time.
Pain time.
What are you eating? Rainbow cookies.
Rainbow cookie.
Okay, here. Diba? Pag Costco, madaming mga ganito eh. Kain-kain. Alright. Very good. Kuya Diva likes it. Hi fam! So yun, nautusan na naman tayo ni Mommy na mag-check ng mail. Lagi niyo na talaga ako nasasamahan lagi. So anyway, nag-jam nga pala kami yesterday with my bandmates, Arctic Ground. So we're gonna be playing at Barrio Fiesta here in Calgary on May 23rd. So abangan nyo at kasama ko ang mga magigiting na kabanda. Dito ko natatapusin yung video. Nakuha na natin ang kailangang kunin. So again, please be there on May 23rd. Mag-plan kayo doon. Dinner or tambay or chill and then with good music. So see you guys there. And don't forget again to like, share, and subscribe to Alba Fambam YouTube channel here and also our Facebook page. Don't forget to like and follow Alba Fambam, the same handle. See you tomorrow again. Salamat, maayong gabi, maayong buntag sa Tanan, Calgary, and Pilipinas. See you on the next video. Hang loose, everyone.